All done. Hey guys. No, seriously, it's like when I get on my period, like my face goes wacko. No, seriously, period shit, you know. But oh, that sounds really gross. I'm about to make something to eat because, sorry, I'm going to the gym soon. It's like 8:40 right now. I'm going around 9:30. I'm not even hungry, but like I know myself and I want to eat before I work out, only because I have a new pre-workout that I bought, and I just don't want to get nauseous because I'm that person that gets nauseous and I don't want to get nauseous. I got it off of Amazon, and yeah. I thought I ordered a cup. I guess not. I guess I was thinking about getting a shaker cup and I never did. Unless I got it and it's in another box. While I'm doing this, let me get my shit ready. My egg. I'm making an egg and a piece of toast. Is the bread even good? I'm over it. This is why I don't buy bread. Because I don't eat it. Mold up! Anywho, I got this thermo activator by EHP Labs, and it's in the flavor citrus margarita, because when we're at the gym, everybody wishes they were drinking a margarita. Oh, okay. So here's my shaker cup, and then I got a band, a Sweet Sweat band. There was like, look, we gonna put her shit all in the same one. Hold on. Sweet Sweat waist trimmer. I have one of these already, but it's a size medium, and it was just not happening. It was just too big. I went to the store to get it, and they only had that size, and I was like, it's okay. No, it's not okay, because it just wasn't as tight as I wanted it to be. All done. My pancake's done, by the way. I have a Kodiak cake, peanut butter, and syrup. No, but I was saying something to you guys, and I forget what I was saying. I was saying, don't you hate how something, and then I forgot. I don't know, Marb. Would you like a smoke and a pancake? But yeah, so I'm back from the gym, okay? It's a good workout, it's cute, you know. By the way, the pre-workout, this is good. It literally tastes like a watered down margarita. It was good, it was cute. I didn't get that itchy feeling. It's called the RP Max CNS Thermo Activator. Can somebody tell me if they heard of that? It didn't give me, I was thinking it was gonna give me like that itchy, like, feeling, you know, when you take pre-workouts and you're just like, but it didn't. But I feel like it made me sweat. Thermo activator, so it sounds like heat, thermostat. This is the protein that I have been using. It's the Blessed Blessed protein powder. It's a plant-based protein, 23 grams of protein per serving, and it's in the I was about to say that it's in the shade. It's in the flavor vanilla chai. It tastes like a vanilla chai tea. Alright, sugars. I'm about to chill. And wait for my man to call me. So today, I am going to get my new hairdo. So you're coming along with me. First, well, after I get my hair done, I'm going to my mom's house. It was my grandma's birthday last weekend. She wasn't in town, but now she's in town, so we're just gonna have like a little shindig thing. Okay. Ooh, it's hot. Let's go to Starbucks. this is it. This is the do. All done. I love it, guys. This is my new boo. And she did it. Her name's Sadia. I'll link her information in the description box. So if you want to get a nice wig made, she's a girl. Because this is a wig, y'all. It's not a weave. You guys know I'm all in my wig life now. See the different colors.
The lighting's a little off.
We can do it outside. Duh. I'm excited. I never had colored hair, so I was like, why not get a wig? And then you can color and wear all the colors in the world that you want. So now I'm about to leave. I'm about to go to my mom's house. I have someone's making to do. I have to go to the gym. I have a lot to do. So, I'll see you guys. We're at my mom's house, This is baby Trevor. Little baby Trevor. You're not gonna say hi?
Hey!
Oh, I had a good time.
Baby? Baby?
Guess who's here?
Please do it.
No.
He likes it low key. I'd be like, you ready for your YouTube debut? He likes the camera.
Who's that?
Yeah,
Why you look at me like that?
Say cheese.
Let me check with her. I don't think so.
Cheese.
We all in here.
Cheese.
Maybe she did buy
Look at the key. This is my uncle, Tyreek.
How you doing? All right.
This is Uncle Jamil.
What's up? What's up?
He really poses.
Look at that man.
He loves his big cousin. Do you guys like this color? Is it like red?
It's honeycomb, strawberry.
Strawberry. She does say strawberry blonde.
Mama changed.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, hello.
So I'm home. What do you guys think? I like it. It's growing on me. I have to like do my eyebrows and like get cute and all, but this is it. What do you guys think? I've never like had colored hair, so this is like new for me. You know what? Are you mocking me? He's mocking me. Look at this big thing. Oh my gosh. This is so ridiculous. Like, and then I have dry skin. I'm just all over the place. I promise it's not a booger. So, this is the new hair. Hope you guys like it. But yeah, this was just a quick little vlog. I hope you guys like it. And stay tuned for my next video. It'll probably be a makeup tutorial. But yeah, love you guys.